So this is a tour of 8501 at Polynesian Island Tower. The door opens miraculously by itself. Oh, you can tell it's Halloween time with your spooky entrance there. So we're in a duo studio, yes. Which is the smallest room that they offer. We're only here for a night, so when you first come in on the right, yes, the waterworks. Ooh. There is your sink with one of those mirrors, one of these mirrors, hello. Another one over there. A lot of counter space. Oh god, you can't see what I can see. Hair dryers under there.
Plenty of space to shower.
There is plenty of space to shower.
The runway is weird, like the runway's off to the side, so the angle goes from right to left as you look at the shower. There's a little slot just there to...
Got a cubby, rainfall.
And standard. Very similar to Riviera actually. And in case you want to wash anything.
Did you mean to do that?
That was aggressive.
And then you've got your H2O, not H2O products.
Ah.
And La Toilette is there. And then you come into the kitchen, the kitchen area. I'll come to that bit in a minute.
That's fine.
It is a standard studio kitchen. No sink because the sink is in the way of Paul. Over there, got a fridge.
It's going well.
Paul's really good at opening fridges.
I'm really not though, that's the problem.
Yeah. That handle next to the fridge, that one. Bin. Cutlery. An empty drawer. An empty drawer. An empty cupboard. And then you've got your washing stuff and then all of your random toaster. That'll be the electrics for the microwave. Don't
yes,
do that.
Definitely is something that we shouldn't be touching.
And this will be all the crockery. There's your crockery. And you've got your Keurig with your bunch of stuff there. Washing up stuff. Big wardrobe space here.
Jesus!
You know what he's done. He's opened the drawers. Yeah, really good space here. There's a ironing board just tucked away there. Drawers are very good. Like deep drawers if you were here for more than a night. And then you come over to... Oh, is it on wheels?
Yep.
That's clever. That goes there. This one I imagine is the same.
No.
And then move your phone. And then,
That is a lot smoother.
Oh, look. How beautiful is that? It's like we're back on cruise.
It's a lot smoother than Riviera, that bed. They've done improvements.
This is soft.
Got charging ports here.
Yeah.
Which is C and A, and then two.
They got them on both sides.
Plug points as well, and then there's more this side as well.
Brilliant.
So lots of charging spots.
We need to find the pillows, I imagine.
They're up there. So
They're
two plug points over here, and then just to your right down as well. Another plug socket just there.
Plug socket there. Plug socket there.
There's plug sockets in the bathroom too, in the bathroom area.
There's a plug socket by the sink, just there. Again, wardrobe space. We should probably get the pillows out. TV. Safe. That down there will be your iron. And then, oh look, monorail. Excellently timed. This is our balcony. It's actually very large. I think we're right on the, kind of on the end. So we've got quite a thick bit of wall, but it's a very big space for a very small room, which is very good. Oh. Well done.
Blanket too.
Yeah. Have you felt this? This.
Soft, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like microfiber. So yeah, that's it. That's the room. We We will insert a clip momentarily once we get our luggage. There's a very important thing we've got to do.
Oh. I mean, you can tell. It's big enough to swing a cat in.
Poor Bernie has been a stowaway.
Yeah, he's tied up in lunch, but it's. I think this would be nice for sort of a weekend. I think we could maybe get away with a week here.
There's more than enough space. I'd say there's more space, there's more floor space than the Tower Studios at Riviera.
Yes, I'd agree with that.
Because the bathroom's smaller.
Yes, I'd agree with that. But I don't know if I'd want to do 2 weeks here when you compare this to the likes of...
No.
The rooms that you get at the likes of Pop, French Quarter, Port Orleans,
even the standard
Colorado.
versions of these.
Yeah. I think I'd want a bit more space. One bed is nice. I think most people like to use a second bed for the purpose of
storage.
So
yeah.
That's nice though.
Yeah, but we'll be back with you when our luggage is here. I've finished my true meal already. Shock.